lonely and nobody's waiting by your side. You've been running and hiding much too long. You know it's just to prove his pride. Layla, you got me on my knees, Layla. I'm begging, darling, please, Layla. Darling, won't you ease worry mind? And so on, boys and girls, just repeats more and more the same. Well, howdy there. Welcome to another hopefully interesting lesson. This one's on Eric Clapton's acoustic version of Layla, of course. Okay, standard tuning, no capos. Okay, doing the same key as Eric Clapton. So we're starting off with a D minor, but a slightly unusual fingering. Okay, so normally we play D minor like that. Well, I'm changing the third finger on the third fret of the second string for my pinky. Okay, so my pinky is playing the third fret of the B string. So my third finger is free to do other things. Okay, so first finger, as usual, first fret of the top E string, second finger, second fret of the third string, but pinky is playing the third fret of the second string. Okay, so it starts off with an open fifth string going up to the third fret on the fifth string with the third finger. Okay, and then you hit the D minor chord with the fourth, third strings. Okay, so I'm playing the open fifth, third on the fifth with the third finger, then I'm hitting the fourth string which is open and the third string which is held on the second fret by your second finger. Okay, alright, then what you do is another quick fourth string and third string. So sorry, let's get that for right fingering. Then play that third fret on the fifth string again with your third finger. So, and then we play a B flat. Right, so it's okay. First fret bar, first finger, and then either third fret of the fourth, third, and second strings with either three fingers or a single bar. Some people use their pinky, I use my third finger. Okay, there's no other way of playing this really. Okay, so from the beginning again, so far. Slowly. A little bit of a strum, mainly downstrokes, okay, right. And then we take this shape chord up 2 frets to a C chord, third fret bar, first finger, and the fifth fret on the fourth, third and second string, so 3 fingers or a single bar. Okay, and then back to the D minor with the same shape as before, pinky on the third fret of the B string. It's a case of practice. When you've done it a few times it'll become slightly normal. Slightly. Okay, so from the beginning. Okay, got that? Slowly, I'll play that again. Okay, then it repeats the same thing again to start with. This time when you get to C, it's 2 separate stabs. And then the D minor. So far we've got this. Then the third time it starts off exactly the same as usual, and when you get to the C this time you do that. Well, I'm doing that anyway, it's the way I see it, my arrangement of this. So you play a C chord as normal, but you strum down and then you take this first finger off, so it leaves an open A string, fifth string, hit that open A string and then put the first finger back to the 3rd fret on the 5th string. I'm just strumming the 5th down to about the 3rd string, maybe the 2nd string a bit, and then back to the D minor. Okay, so let's go from the beginning very, very slowly. Then the last one is same as usual. We stop on the C, just a single stop on the C, on the 4th one there, okay? And then we go into this, the verse bit, okay? So from the beginning, very, very slowly. Okay, practice makes perfect. Okay, then we play this 2 notes, the open 5th string and then the 3rd fret of the 5th string. Then we go to the verse, and the first chord of the verse is a C sharp minor 7th. 4th fret bar chord, minor shape, pinky off, C sharp minor 7th. Should sound like that. I'm playing from 5 down to 1 myself, I'm not playing the 6th string. Okay. So you've got this on that last one, it's when would you get lonely? Right, so C sharp minor 7th, after that what will you do when you get lonely? That's a G sharp 7th. So keeping the bar on the 4th fret, first finger, you move from the minor to the G sharp major, but with pinky off again. So it's G sharp 7th. Okay, so that's the 5th fret of the 3rd string and the 6th fret of the 5th string. Yeah. So from this, when it comes out of the intro, C sharp minor 7th. What will you do when you get lonely? Now this is a bit classic, okay? From the G sharp 7th, move this 3rd finger down to the 5th fret of the 2nd string and play from about 4 to 1 and then take it off. Right, so it goes like this. What will you do when you get lonely? You can put that finger back up to the 6th fret on the 5th string if you want, or you could just play the top 4 strings with those 2 on, and then take that 3rd finger off. That's fine. Okay, so that's a bit of an augmented. That's an A flat augmented to or a G sharp augmented shape, basically, roughly. Okay, so let's get to it from the beginning of the verse bit where it goes. What will you do when you get lonely? Okay, if you don't want to do that, just play the just miss that out altogether, but it's an option. Okay, so just stay on the G sharp 7th, but I think that's quite nice. Okay, so C sharp minor 7th. What will you do when you get lonely? Back to the C sharp minor 7th, and nobody's waiting by your side. So that's a C bar chord from the C sharp minor 7th, C, which we've played in the intro, to a D, 2 frets up, 5th fret bar this time, and the 7th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd, same shape as the C, with 3 fingers if you want, and then to an E chord. Okay, so now we've got this coming out of the, let's do it right up to that point from the beginning. Okay, so here we go. What you do if you get lonely? Nobody's waiting by your side. Okay, got that? That's a bit quick change there. Nobody's waiting by your side. When you, and then you can play another little fiddly bit there, is when you comes that nobody's by my side. Right, so that's an E. Then you put your pinky on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and then up to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So it's da 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 da. As soon as you come into that, it goes da 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 da. Got that? Da 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 da. When you hit the E, it's da 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 da. Right. So. What do you do if you get lonely? Being the nowhere beside you. Okay, got that? Then when you go into the next bit, F sharp minor 7th, 2nd fret bar, 4th fret of the 5th string, da da da, to a form of B7th. I'm just playing that. You can play the full B7th if you want. I'm just using that first part of it, the first 3 fingers. I'm not using my pinky, okay? And I'm just basically strumming from 5 down to 2, okay? So, what will you do when you get lonely? Da 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 da. You be running. I mean, you can hit it. Sorry, if you can hit all 6 strings, it doesn't. It's up to you. If you want to put the pinky on, you can. You don't have to. Okay. So it's da 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 to E, da 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 A. So it's F sharp minor 7th to B7th to E to A. So it's what you do is get to lonely. Nobody's waiting by your side. You've been running and rock the too long. Back to the F sharp minor 7th. You know it's B7th, just your foolish E pride. And then there's a bit of a pause, pride. Then the A, Layla. Then it goes, it's an A chord, and you say Layla. Layla. Yeah. And we get into this. Layla. Right, so we'll get into that in a second. So let's just go through this bit again. What will you do when you get lonely and nobody's waiting by your side? You've been running and hiding much too long. You know it's just your foolish pride. Layla. Right, so after the A, Layla is D minor again. Again, I'm using the new shape for the D minor with pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string. Right, Layla. And it's like dun dun, 2 hits on that. Layla. Then add that 3rd fret of the 5th string with the 3rd finger to the B flat. Layla. Up to the C bar chord. Back to the D minor. Then you do that like you did on the intro. Open A, 3rd fret A, and then the D minor again, and it's Layla, and it repeats itself. So after you've done that, then that 3rd fret 5th string, B flat, got it? So it's Layla, get you on my knees, Layla, I'm begging, darling, please, Layla, darling, won't you ease my worried mind? And it goes into another da 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 da. Okay. Da 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 da. Layla. Right, so I'll just play this a bit. Layla. To the next verse. Okay, got that? Well, hopefully that'll make sense to you. Okay, so coming out of that Layla, you got me on your knees, Layla, I'm begging, darling, please, Layla, darling, won't you ease my remind me. Da 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 da, and so on. Okay, well, so it's a bit rough around the edges, but it just repeats more of the same. That's all it is all the way through the song. It's just like verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus sort of thing. Okay, so once you've got that on your belt, you can do the whole song. So hopefully that'll make sense to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Okay, bye.